What do you want, my children?
Papa, I want you make you give us jazz. Now jazz we want. Jazz that gun cannot penetrate us. We want to be an immortal.
I swear, even me, I want to be an international armed robber for this, our nation. Nothing will happen to me. Gun will not enter my body. Talk less of knife.
It's okay, my children. You are in the right place. Me where you dey see, I'm the greatest babalawo for this nation. And anyway you dey hear, na me give am jazz.
So I think
Jazz where I go give you, where people dey open fire, war dey start. If they see una, bullet see una, or gun see una, you go pieces. Ekana?
Robbers,